Hi everyone, it's Molly. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for being here. I hope everyone's doing okay. I am going to be using this Fredericks canvas that I'm not sponsored by them. I bought these myself. I got them from Jerry's Artorama. You have to buy them 4 at a time though, so it does get a little bit expensive. But I am doing a circular color split painting tonight, so kind of a half color on each side, and I'm doing bright red and a turquoise color. So she wanted kind of big, bold colors there and super bright, so I'm doing some pinks, purples, and blues in the middle. So I'm really excited about this one, and especially to work on such a large circular canvas. So let's get started. Let's paint. Hello everyone, hope everybody is doing well. So this is a Fredericks. It's a little bit convex from the sides, but I love it because it's thick, a Fredericks canvas. It is already pre-primed, and I got this at Jerry's Artorama. You have to buy 4 of them, so it's kind of expensive. But they have them at Dick Blick, and I didn't check Cheap Joe's Art Supplies, but they might have it there too. So I am doing super bright and fun colors tonight. This is a commission for a lovely woman named Rita, and the commission means a lot to her. So I've actually tried this a couple of times, different color combinations, and this is what I've come up with. So I'm hoping that it'll work. She likes lime green as well, and I didn't add it in this piece. I'm gonna add it in another one that I'm doing for her. But now that I'm thinking about it, I feel like it might need it, but we'll see how this one goes. I have 3 other canvases if I need to get this one right. But my paints are mostly Amsterdam and water. They're very thin consistency. All right, I hope everyone had a good holiday season. Got to spend it with some loved ones, hopefully. All right, I think those are air bubbles, not lumps. And I'm going to pour this side. I'm gonna pour them both and blow them both out. And I did pre-paint my sides on this one too. I'm hoping that I can get pretty close to the center. And I think I'm gonna do 2 puddles and then blow them out to cover most of the area. And then I'll probably drag my finger to kind of make them meet in the middle. She had seen a piece that I did similar to this a while ago, and that's kind of the design that she wanted, almost like a butterfly blown out. Okay, let me torch. And let's go. This red is super bright. It's Pyrrole Red by Amsterdam, and it's, I can't even describe it. It's just like a really, really bright, pretty red. So I was trying to blow from the center of the color, but I didn't want to like mix them too much, but I can tell that I have a little bit of extra paint right here in the center, so hopefully it'll be okay. All right, now I have to think about my layering here. I think I'm gonna go with the blue. I'm gonna do these 2 to kind of meet in the center. Uh-oh, I'm already pushing out my turquoise there. And then kind of like this, I think, almost like in a butterfly shape. Yeah. So maybe even just 1 puddle in the middle and then the butterfly shape. I'm making this up as I go along. All right, so that was phthalo blue. This is sky blue light. I'm trying to tell myself don't use too much paint. So yeah, this commission means a lot to her, and she told me her story behind it. And a lot of times that makes it even harder for me to do because I'm so focused, like I just want it to be the best possible painting that it can be. So I'm hoping that this one turns out, and I'm hoping that this is going to be enough color to blow up through there. I think it will be. Whoops. All right, now she wanted like a dark pink. Hoping it's not going to be too close to the same red color. Okay. And now my white, I think first. Drizzle that all through because the white is what is going to brighten this up. And then the silver. And the silver is what's going to create the cells and the lacing. And for my silver, I use, and I've talked about it before, but I use a mixture of Winsor & Newton and Soho, because the Winsor & Newton has the good binders in it to allow for, ooh, I'm way lopsided. Oh no. Oh no. Okay, when that happens, I'm just gonna push it back this way a little bit. And then I forgot to adjust my table. I knew this, and it's sitting on the side. I actually did that, and I was supposed to just level my table off just a little bit. But oh well, I pushed the paint back. But the Winsor & Newton has good binders in it, and then the Soho reacts with the other paints to create the cells. Pop all my air bubbles now. I feel like maybe just a little bit more white. I don't know. All right, let's blow this out. So I think this is beautiful. The only thing that's got me is this, I had like this block of color there. So I'm just gonna drag that on up and then drag this on down to kind of create it in the center. I don't mind the dark blue kind of outline here. I may just drag on through it to soften it just a little bit. I've got the bright pops of color. The cells and the lacing are beautiful. The way that I chose to blow this one out, I really took my time and made sure that I was blowing from the center out towards the edges. I'm really happy. I may just mouth blow just a little bit or soften some of these. All you have to do is just drag your finger on along. And if you've got a part that's on the edge, just touch your finger in it and it will go right away. And I think maybe I want to add I just wanted to soften that up just a little bit. And I'm actually really happy with the center. Oh, I do not like that. Break that back up. Wow. Only thing I wish is that I'd had a little bit more purple right through here. I wonder if I can drag it without making it look too... Okay, now it's time to fiddle. I feel like this was coming over, encroaching onto this space a little bit too much. Okay, I feel like this is just gonna drag all that off right there. Wow, I really like these canvases. And then I'm gonna replace it with just a little bit of paint right there and blow that. Yes! Keep my blue running down through here. Oh, I love it. All right, let me show you. Okay, I need to hurry and get this over to a level surface and then readjust my table. That right there, my favorite part. Really pretty colors, super bright, not quite symmetrical, but definitely a center blowout. So fingers crossed on how this one dries. I'll show the dried result. I must say I am very pleased with this piece. It dried really well. All the details. I was a little bit concerned that I was off center, but then after it dried, because there's a bigger, part up top than there is down bottom, I think it fits just perfect. And I was glad that I did not fiddle with it. The details in it, that's my favorite spot. Just really, really nice. And these Frederick's canvases, wow. Definitely will be purchasing more of these. They're a little bit more expensive, but really, really happy with this piece. And it does kind of remind me of a butterfly, like spreading its wings. Well, I hope that you enjoyed this one. Thank you so much for watching. Happy painting. Bye.